here from aliceblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it is the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. And this week the host is My Nail Designs, and the theme is floral and animal prints. So you can stamp anything that has to do with those things. So I'm going to be using some new plates that I got from my Mani box a little while ago, and a bunch of also the stamping polish and a whole bunch of different stuff here for this design. Before I get any further, I will leave all of the links down below in the description box like always, and I will have everyone's pictures at the very end of the video. If you're coming over from one of their channels, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get into the video, and I'm going to show you what my base will be. Alright, so I have had this base on for a little bit. So first off, I started with Rouge Lacquer, and this is Grinds My Gears. I got this from the Indie Expo last year, so that's one of the polishes. And then over top of that, I have Indie Polish Patty Lopes. This is Piano Plays for Grace. This is the polish pickup for September, so I got that also last year. I really like this one because it's kind of got like little flakes and stuff in there too. And then over top of that, also from the polish pickup, but I just got this one. I have this, and this is Morpheus. This one is from the January polish pickup, so I have that also. So I have like 3 coats of different polish on there to create this. I don't know, I liked it. I didn't want to just have the one polish to start with. I wanted some sparkle, so I've had these on for a little bit, so sorry they're a little bit growing out, but I wanted to use this as my base. And I'm going to be stamping with a bunch of stamping plates. They're all Muyu London, so I have Enchanted Collection 12, and then I have Enchanted Collection 08, and then Mother Nature Collection 18, and Mix and Match Collection 13. So all of these are from my Mani box thing. And then stamping polishes, I'm going to be using, I think, Born Pretty Store. This is Warm Tea Series, and this is Summer Mints. Then I'm going to use also Born Pretty Store. This is the Autumn Courtyard Series, and I'm going to use Shannon Macaroons. And then I'm going to use this Muyu London, and this one is, sorry, Frosted Lake. This one I just got in my Mani box, so I'm going to try that out. I think those colors will work together. We'll see. And yeah, we're going to get into it. Oh, and I might also use this Born Pretty Store green. Alright, we're going to start by peeling off the blue film. There's one plate. I think we're going to stamp with these ones first.
That's pretty much ready.
The finished nail design. I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out okay. I kind of like it and I kind of don't. I'm not really sure, but that's anyways. So that is everything for this video. As always, thanks for watching and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.